Want to make the best slow cooker chili ever? You're in the right place. Quick saute on the stovetop, and then it's low and slow football food. Start with an assortment of 4 cans of beans and a can of tomatoes. Opening these cans is really the only time-consuming part of the prep for this. Drain the beans and get them into a slow cooker. Season some ground beef or turkey with salt and pepper and brown it up in canola oil over medium heat. Toss it in the slow cooker with your beans. Dice up some celery, onion, and bell pepper and an optional hot chili. Get them in the pan and season with salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder, and a pinch of cinnamon. Stir occasionally and cook for about 6 or 7 minutes. I'll link to the full recipe in the description. Add in 2 or 3 sliced or minced garlic cloves, stir and cook for 1 more minute. Transfer to the slow cooker with the beans and ground meat. Buzz your tomatoes up with a stick blender. Pour them over top of everything else. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and give it a good stir. Toss in a couple bay leaves, cover it up, and cook with confidence on low. Stir it up after about 4 hours, cover it back up, and let it finish cooking. It should only take about 6 hours total. That's plenty of time to enjoy how good the house smells today and to think about how the house might smell tomorrow. Ew. It's time to eat. Get this stuff into a bowl and garnish it up with some sour cream, grated cheddar cheese, and some chopped green onions. Get yourself some saltine crackers or some corn chips and make sure you've got plenty of hot sauce. This is my absolute favorite time of year, cooler weather and slow cooker football chili. If you'd like another awesome slow cooker recipe, watch this video right here.